Now, if you want to request money, for example, you would follow those same steps. You would click on the $sign in the middle. You would type in the amount of money that you're looking to request. But instead of clicking pay now, you'd click request, and then you would follow the same steps here of either entering the name, the cash tag, phone number, or whatever it may be. And then at that point, you would send that person a request here. So I'm just going to type in demo and then click on the green request button. And just like that, we have requested $50. Now they would then have to go into their account and manually send that money, but it will notify them that there is a request. And since we just sent that request, if you click at the bottom right icon again for activity, we now have a pending section which shows this request. So if it gets filled, it'll move down to the today section or whenever that actually processes. But let's say, for example, you want to cancel a request that you've sent. You would click under the pending section and click on the actual transaction. And where it shows you as pending here at the bottom, you would then click in the top right, the three dots, and it shows you the details about the transaction. At this point, you can click on cancel request if you want to, and it's going to prompt you to confirm whether or not you want to do this. We're going to click on yes. And just like that, we have canceled out that request. That's going to move it down to the today section. So it still shows this under activity, but it is going to be striked out here with the $50. So you do have a record that the transaction was actually canceled here for the request.